Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for HONOR Magic4 Lite. So let's try finding Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no real game here that we want to download. So to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, reveal family, parental controls, and right here you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, here increase it to PG16, make sure to save the settings afterwards. And now if we go back to the search pool for the Call of Duty, it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.